Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In the last video, we installed Django in our system. In this video, we'll pick up from that and we'll use our install Django version to create a new Django project. The Django website is www.djangoproject.com and the documentation is on docs.djangoproject.com. So let's drop into the terminal and use our install Django version to create a new Django project. To run this command, make sure you're in the directory where you want to have your Django project located. So I'm in a directory known as code, and this is where I will have my Django project. So when you install Django, by default, usually adds a command line utility known as Django admin in your environment, and it's that command which you can use to create new Django project. So let's use that command to create a new Django project, and because this is a tutorial on to-dos, we'll call our project to-dos. So the command is Django-admin, and you use the command Django project, one word, and you give it the name of your project. So our project will be called to-dos. When you run this command, Django will create a directory in the current location that you are in, giving the same name that we given to your project. So in this case, Django has created for us the directory to-dos. We can move into that directory and let's open it in Atom and see what Django has for us. In this tutorial, I'll be using Atom, but if you are using another editor like Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code, it's still fine, no worries. So you can see the directory that Django has created for us. There within it there is an inner directory with the same name. So the outer to-dos directory, this is the project container, and it does not matter much to Django. Within it there is the to-dos, another to-dos directory. This is the your project directory. So any setting or configuration relating to your project will be in this directory. It's called the project dir, and it's a Python package, as you can see there underneath. Also, we have our settings.py file, your res.py file, and whiskey.py file. The settings.py file, this is where Django will store all the settings relating to your project. That is settings such as the database access, paths to the various files that you'll be using in your project, and so forth. So if you want to customize settings or if you want to add new settings, this will be the file for you. And you have a your res.py file and whiskey.py file. Don't worry about this for now, we'll come to them in a later video. And then we have an manage.py Python file, which this is, as the name suggests, this is the file that we'll be using to manage our Django project and to run several commands in our Django project. So in the whole development process, this is what we will use to run commands such as running the development server and so forth. Now let's drop into the shell and start our new Django project using the manage.py utility. The manage.py utility has several commands that will be working within our projects, and one of those commands is the command used to start the Django development server. So let's start the development server using Python manage.py. Make sure you are in the to-dos directory, Python manage.py, and the name of the command is run server, one word. So if all is well, Django will start the development server on localhost port 8000. You can see there is a warning telling us you have 15 unapplied migrations. Don't worry about that for now, we'll come to it in a later video. So we can visit localhost port 8000 and see what Django has for us. Awesome, the install worked successfully, congratulations. So this is the default page shown by Django when you start a new Django application, Django project. By default, Django will start the run server, will start the development server on localhost port 8000. But if for some reason you want to run it on another port, you can easily change that. To stop the development server, you can press Ctrl+C, and then to run it on another port, you pass the port number to the run server command. Let's say you want to run it on port 9000. So we can see that the development server is now running on localhost port 9000. If you go to the browser and visit localhost 8000, you'll get an error because the development server is no longer working there. It's on localhost port 9000, so we can change that. Yeah, we now have our Django project running on that port. So that's it for now. We'll pick up from this in the next video. Thanks for watching.